8 minus 8 equals 0. So 0 divided by 4, then times 2. 0 divided by 4 gives us 0, and 0 times 2 is just 0. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one subtraction, one division, and one multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, first we have to do this division, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction before this division or this multiplication, it is wrong. So first we have to do this division, because multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So here first we have to do this division. 8 divided by 4 gives us 2. So we have 8 minus 2, then times 2. 8 minus 2, then times 2. Now we have one subtraction and one multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction, because multiplication comes before subtraction. So here first we have to do this multiplication. 2 times 2 gives us 4. So 8 minus 4, which equals 4. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 4.